Well, it seems like everybody's ready to get rid of summer and bring in fall, and I'm on board with that, but I have to do one more project that does not completely tie into fall. I mean, it doesn't not tie into fall, but I don't know. I want to go ahead and do an enamel bucket, and I'm going to go ahead and make this one a little bit bigger. So let me show you what I have that I'm working with. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and a little bit of organization, but all on a budget. Come check out today's project. But this is what I want to change up. I want to go ahead and do the enamel look on it. I have a really cute idea, so stick with me so you can find out what it is. Here we go, guys. So as much as I love the white Waverly paint with some dark black paint, I don't have a lot of white that goes in my house. As I've said before, I don't have a lot of white decorations. So I'm going to go ahead and try and make this work with some ivory and black. I'm going to start by doing ivory on the whole outside and a little bit of the inside of the bucket, just because I don't, maybe the whole bucket except the bottom, I don't know, we'll see, but for sure the entire outside, and then we'll go from there. So of course I changed my mind. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of black in just like an area because I want to use a word on there, so I'm going to put some stickers on, and I'm going to want to peel those off and have the black. So I'm hoping I can do a couple coats of the black and it'll stay. So what I'm going to do is paint that little rectangle of black, and then I'm going to proceed with painting the inside, so that while the black dries, this will be drying, and then, you know, we can move on quickly and not be stuck. So due to a couple reasons, I decided to go ahead and switch the container we were using. The last container was very squishy, I don't know the right word. It was very flexible, whereas this one's going to hold its shape. I went with something a little bit more sturdy, but I really like the look of this. If you look at it, it kind of looks like milk glass. I was gonna paint the outside, but then I thought, I don't know, I decided to do the inside. I'm not sure why. I kind of like it. It looks like milk glass to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and do one more layer of the ivory on the inside. That'll be layer number 3, and then we'll finish it up. Hey guys, I just want to let you know that I feel your pain of me having to film with this device. I'm trying to get a new camera, I promise. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take some of this chalkboard paint, and I'm just going to put it around the top of this vase, and then I'm going to go ahead and probably paint on a word or two. I wanted the letters to not look completely perfect. I wanted them to look a little bit more like the enamel than anything else. So I went ahead and I freehanded them, and I think this gave it a really nice look. I didn't think about Halloween being around the corner, so it did also give it kind of a creepy look, just with the way that it's written and the words, as well as the chipping and the black and white. Anyhow, I like how this turned out. After putting some black around the top to give it that enamel look and painting on the word bye, B-Y-E, I decided to go ahead and cover everything with wax, and I think I wish I would have used Mod Podge on the outside, but you know, you live and learn. So you definitely want to seal this if you don't want it to get scratched, which is what I went ahead and did with the wax. Now it's all ready to go ahead and sit in my daughter's room and collect all the tags from the new clothes as she wears them. I think this would be a great little project for Halloween also, and I didn't think about how creepy it would be with the word bye on it until I was already finished. I was just meaning bye as in goodbye trash. Anyhow, I can't wait to find out what you guys think in the comments below. That's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you again next week. Bye-bye.